Hey there, my friends. Hey there, my friends. Oh, man, I know I haven't been here for a minute, and I intended to start doing my videos last week. Then I got sick. All right, you probably can still hear it in my nose a little bit, but it's a bit of my allergies and my sinuses all mixed together. And then I tried to do a short, and you could still tell I was a little bit sick, but I'm better now. I'm much better now. So what I'm getting ready to do, you guys, I'm about to take off this eye makeup. And if you know me, if you have, this is your first time on my channel, I teach skincare and makeup. And today I thought I'd get on here and just show you guys what I do to remove my makeup, how I do my skincare routine. And I have a special thing that I want to do today because yesterday I exfoliated my skin, and so today is I have to make sure that my skin is moisturized, because tomorrow night what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my clinical solutions, and my clinical solutions has 0.5 retinol in there. So I want to make sure that my skin is prepared and really hydrated for that product. So today what I'm going to do is I'm walking you guys through what I do to make sure that my skin gets the hydration that it needs for that retinol. Okay, so hang in there and be right back. As you see, first I am taking off all this eye makeup and y'all know the girl don't have none of these. I don't have no brows. Okay, there's nothing y'all don't know about that. So I know y'all know something about that. No, I don't have no eyebrows. This is the real deal, okay? So now I'm getting ready to use my 3-in-1 bar soap by Mary Kay, and it's a moisturizing soap, so it's not like one of those soaps that dry your skin. But when I put on a full thing of makeup, I like to make sure that my face is completely cleaned, and I found that using this 3-in-1 soap here helps me to really remove all of the excess makeup. Okay, so I'll be right back. So let's get this washed off. Washing off all my makeup I had on, as I did a couple videos earlier today, and so I had on a lot of makeup. So what I do is I make sure I get all that makeup up. You never want to go to bed with makeup on your face. Okay, before you go to bed, you want to make sure you take off all the makeup. And even if you don't have on no makeup, you still need to wash your face. Why I get soap in my eye? I really have put soap in my eye. I have put soap in my eyes. Oh my goodness. So now that I did that, now that I washed my face with the soap, I'm going to take the some naturally purifying cleanser. This is one of our naturally lines. And so what I'm going to do is kind of wet my hand and put some of this naturally on. And the one thing that I love about this naturally, now the naturally uses a lot of natural products in here, and it is hypoallergenic. It's for all skin types. And the only thing is that it doesn't have any anti-aging ingredients in it, but it really gets the skin clean, and it absolutely smells amazing. So I'm taking that and just making sure all of that makeup is off of my skin. So I'll be right back. I'm going to wash this off, and then I'm going to show you how I hydrate myself. So I'm going to use this Bio-Cellular Mask. And what I wanted to do actually is to take this out of the packet so you guys can see what the product looks like. So, and then I'll put it on my face. All right. It looks, I'm telling you guys, if you can see the moisture, is it dripping? if you can see the moisture in this. And what I like to do first is I like to make sure that my skin is completely clean and it's dry. And before I put on my cellular mask. So you guys see how my skin, see how it looks now. Okay, so I'm going to put on the cellular mask. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. All right. It is on. You can either put this, cover it up. You can do however you want. And you get it off of your face. There's another layer here. My hands are so, okay, I'll be right back. So what I want you to see is me pulling this layer off of my face. All right, so I'm pulling this top layer off as the mask lays on my skin. Y'all see how it's just laying there? Look at that moisture. Okay, I'm gonna pull off over here. And you can actually lay this too on your eyes if if you want. But I'm going to keep that down. And I just want to make sure the mask is laying all over, because I want that moisture to get all over my skin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down and let this sit on my face for about 10, 15 minutes, okay? So, I tell you what, I'll be back. So you guys, I still have this on, and I'm just really letting the moisture just really soak in there. And normally, what I do is I will lay down, watch TV, just to make sure this is saturating through my skin. And this cellulose mask, what you can do, like if you are going to a special occasion or maybe you're getting married, I would start doing this maybe about 2 weeks before my event. And I would do it twice a week, like 2 times, 1 week and the week of the event, 2 more times. And man, you will see an amazing difference in your skin. So this has a lot to do with, I know you guys all heard of K-Beauty, which is Korean beauty, but this is our Mary Kay's Bio-Cellulose Lifting Mask. And what it's supposed to do is help lift your skin. It's going to give your skin a lot of moisture, and it's going to make your skin look so lustrous and beautiful. So when you put your makeup on, your skin is going to look absolutely amazing. So once I take this off, I'm going to show you guys how my skin looked, but I wanted to let you guys know I still have this thing on. I still have it on. I'm going to go lay down for a few minutes, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to let you see what my skin looks like after I do this. Okay? Now I'm about to take this off. Ooh, it's been on there. All right. Mascara. Now that I've done that, my next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Serum C&E on my skin, and I do like 2 pumps. And if you know Serum C&E, what it does is evens your complexion, firms the skin, and everything. So I make sure All my products are on my skin. Alrighty. So my next product I put on is my firming serum. And I really work it in right here where these lines are, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this little deep line right here, I do not like it. So put it here on my chin. Rub some of that stuff here on your neck. Lift this neck up as much as I can. All right, okay. Now that I did that part, oh, my face feels, oh my goodness, y'all. My face feels so soft. Oh my goodness. It feels amazing. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I put on my night cream, the Value Firm Night Treatment with Retinol. So I'm gonna put this on, and this is going, this is going to help firm my skin. And while I'm sleeping, it's gonna help, you know, with firmness, softness. Is also evening my complexion. I like to put it under my neck because this one also has it has what you call encapsulated retinol in there. So this is gonna help my skin you know, stay a little bit settled, help reduce fine lines and wrinkles on my skin as much as possibly can. Hey, we can't stop aging. It's just a part of life, okay? But you can help your skin. So, I mean, I'm loving my skin. I don't know if y'all can see that hydration, but let me tell you, my skin feels amazing. Now, the last thing that I'm going to do, it's not my last thing, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to do my eye cream. So my eye cream, I'm going to take the eye cream and put some under my eye. That's something that a lot of people forget about, is putting eye cream under their eye. Yeah, that's the last thing you think you think about, right? So I'm using the little point of my eye cream, and I also rub that under here under my brow area and right in there, because it helps with fine lines, wrinkles up under here, and dark circles. Okay, so I'm going to take the same thing, do the same thing over here on the other side. And I also like to rub it up here because I was having those issues with my allergies, and so my eyes were swollen. I mean, I was an absolute mess, y'all. I'm telling you. Okay, so my allergies has a lot to do with this weather here in California. We've had some unusual weather, and my body is like, what is going on? So I'm taking my black sea moss. I'm getting ready to get back into doing that. Not my black sea moss, but my sea moss. Okay, now that I've done under my eyes, that's done. Another thing that I do before I go to bed is I like for my lips to be nice and soft. And then because I wear lipstick, I do a scrub on my lips. I like to pull all the dead skin off my lips. Give my lips a really nice scrub before bed. Well, 2 times a week. You can't do this every day. You would do this 2 or 3 times a week. And sometimes you can just put it in your shower. You can do it in the morning. You can do it at night. Either way. But I like to do it at night. And make sure because I wear lipstick today. And I want to make sure if I have any dead skin on my lips that it is coming off, okay? So I keep rubbing that off to make sure my lips. I get her here too on the side. Scrub it real good. All up in there, y'all. All up in there. Then you wipe that off. your lips. Take it off. And, okay. After you take that off, you put your lip balm on. My lips feel good. Put that lip balm on. And you put the lip balm like everywhere. I put it here on the side. So my lips are really moist and soft. And what happens is if I put on lip gloss or I put on lipstick or whatever, you don't get that white stuff. You know, sometimes you see people that have their lipstick on and they get that white stuff on their lip. You got to get that, pull that dead skin off your lips. So you want to make sure you are hydrating your lips. So keep your lips hydrated. Matter of fact, keep your body hydrated. Your skin, everything. Drinking, you know, your proper amount of water, and everything. So now I'm ready to go to bed. Y'all, now I'm ready to go to bed. I've done my everything. Now I got to clean up my mess that I have made in here. And I say good night to all of you guys. Good night, y'all. Bye.